Come test drive the 2024 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, LED headlights, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.